Internally displaced persons who are taking shelter in Kangpokpi district have demanded government of Manipur for immediate restoration of and disbursement of direct benefit transfer DBT. Internally displaced persons took out a rally at Kangpokpi district today demanding the long pending disbursement of DBT. Meanwhile, Kangpokpi District Internally Displaced Welfare Committee has also supported the demands of IDPs. In a press note, Kangpokpi District Internally Displaced Welfare Committee maintained that internally displaced persons are living in extremely difficult conditions with no means of earning, and for these displaced families, the assistance through direct benefit transfer has been the only means of survival. Now, IDPs used it to pay school fees for their children, to buy essential commodities and other expenses such as healthcare and medicines. The delay in disbursing the assistance through DBT has caused severe hardship as parents are unable to pay school fees and buy food and medicine. Further, the committee has made 5 demands, which are immediate release of pending DBT assistance for all registered IDPs of Kangpokpi district for July 2026, continuance of the assistance until complete normalcy is restored, and IDPs are resettled with safety and livelihood. Other demands include fixing a clearer timeline for monthly DBT distribution to avoid uncertainty and hardship every month, ensure transparency so that every IDP family receives entitled assistance with or without exclusion.